The 2008 Lexus ES350. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This sedan, with fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Lexus features power windows, power door locks, and a sunroof. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, dual power seats, and multi-disc CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.